Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk glow plugs used in the video exclusively in the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see different elements to be taken out so that you can access the glow plugs. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. Using cutting pliers, remove the metal holding clip on the turbo inlet duct. You can now replace it with a screw clamp. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two holding screws on the upper duct in plastic. Compress the locking clip, then put it to the side. Now, with a flathead screwdriver, remove the lower part of the plastic duct. You can now remove the upper part of the duct. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two screws on the plastic protection plate. Now unhook the electric cabling from the plastic clips with a small flathead screwdriver. Release the two latches. Unplug the connector on the airflow meter, then remove the plastic protection. You can now see the location of the 4 glow plugs. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of the hoover bit to properly clean around the glow plugs. Start by unplugging the glow plugs. It is important to know that glow plugs are extremely fragile and as a result they often break during disassemble, particularly when they've never been changed before. If they break, it may be rather problematic since the end remains fixed in the cylinder head. If you decide to change them, we have several tips to maximize your chances of success. Several days before carrying out the operation, apply penetrating oil to the bottom of the glow plugs. Remove the plugs when the engine is warm and spray it with cold liquid to remove the plug and potentially unstick it. Complete the unscrewing process using a torque wrench so that you don't use excessive force. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, slowly unscrew the plug. Complete the removal using pliers, since the access point is very narrow.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Before putting the new glow plug in, clean around the housing once again. Take the new glow plugs. Put the new plug in place. And check the box for the recommended tightening. Put the plastic protection back in place. Clip the electric cabling. Reconnect the connector of the airflow meter. Close the two latches and screw the plastic protection back in. Put the clip on the lower duct, then put the upper duct in place. Join the lower duct and put the holding clip in place. Close the clamping clip and finish by screwing in the two holding screws on the upper duct. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.